That you have to find out. And no, you cannot ask this question to anybody. Can you tell me what skills I'm having? Nobody can tell you. You can decide yourself. Am I right? Because your skills only you knows, only your God knows, nobody else. Next point is preparation. How much you are ready for taking the challenges. Let me be clear in one word. Please open your mind, open your eyes. Irrespective of specializations you are taking, whatever it is, the job, the industry, the market is very, very challenging. There is no company which is coming to your doorstep, please come and join, please come and join. No way at all. This situation has gone 50 years before, 40 years before, 30 years before. Now you have to work hard, very efficient, very energetic, very positive minded, very attitude oriented, so on and so forth. So that is what colors preparation. And the goals, what is your goal? Goal, it is not that it is a long term objective what you are having. What you want to be 5 years down the line. What you want to be 10 years down the line. There is one school of thought where the people believe wherever the life takes me I will go there. But that life is not a life. That life is a dog's life. If you are a human being, if you are a personality, you must have your goal. What is your goal? My goal is to have a goal, but what is your goal? And that is clear picture of your future. That will help you to move forward. That will help you to move state. What is the next point we are talking about? Salary. Don't you think this is important? Only important? Very important. If I say it is very, very important, do you agree with me? If I say it is utmost important, do you agree with me? If something higher degree than the utmost, you can use that word also. Because before going to any job, you see this figure. You see this figure. Ultimately, what we are doing here, we are working here for this, you are studying here for this. Yes or no? And this is also most important. And one more advice I would like to give you, after completion of your course, don't expect this to be higher level. Because you have to have an experience. For the 2 to 3 years after completion of your course, don't focus on your salary, focus on the experience. Because experience counts more than salary. Once you gain it, then you can demand whatever you want to demand. Getting my point? Next point is education. Say for example, in the industry, in the market, I have seen, in the international level I have seen, the students who are having CGPA grades low are not considered for any job. To be frank, I am telling you, this is a fact. If you have a distinguished figure, you have CGPA, division of good, then only you can apply for a job. In fact, in many ads for the recruitment, clearly mentioned, if you are having above 70%, you should apply. Otherwise, please don't apply. Now you are eligible or not, you can decide. That too for the eligibility, not for the job. And after going there, if you are having 77%, you will find that you are the least percentage there. 97% is the first percentage. So this is what I was talking about education. So please focus, still time is there with you. You have 1 year past is past, you cannot do anything. How many of you want the bright future? Just raise your hand. How many of you want the bright future? I think some of them are raising 2 hands. You want maximum brightness. That's very good. But to have the bright future, you can do for the present. The present, what you are doing, will decide your future. Getting my point? To have a good future, you should do good things in the present. So that is what colors. And what is your good behavior, good attitude as a student? At least 80% of attendance. First basic criteria. Then comes so many things. Can you move? Now, employment trends, you can read it by yourself. I think the slide is very clearly visible, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Are growing while those in production are decreasing. This is because production lends itself to automation while marketing requires personal contact. And if you don't have the ability of contacting the persons, this is not your cup of tea. Don't drink it. It will poison yourself. Next. See the first point? Is it not a lovely point? Opportunity to make an above average income. How it is above average or how it is maximum amount? Because your salary, your income, your compensation depends upon your efforts in marketing. If you are able to achieve the targets, you are given some percentage. apart from your fixed salary. That means you are putting more efforts, more salary, more income. Getting my point? But that advantage is not there in other disciplines. I'm sorry, I'm not degrading other specializations. In finance, whatever you are doing, in HR, whatever you are doing, in IT, whatever you are doing, I don't think they are going to give you based upon your performance. Even take us as an example. If out of 100 students, if 50 are passed in one semester, salary remains same. If all 100 are passed, salary remains same. Because we are putting an effort. So efforts and salary, this relationship is direct in marketing. More the efforts, more will be the salary. Less the efforts, less will be the. No the efforts, no job in market. Next. Can you move next? Yeah, this is a little interesting area for you. If you take up the marketing as a specializations, what kind of job opportunities you are having in industry? And this picture is from the Indian scenario. I am not talking about the international level. I am not talking about the jobs in marketing at the international level at the various countries. This is for the Indian industry. So just read by yourself. Excuse me. But I am sure to be in the real estate you must be Paiwan first of all. Otherwise you cannot be in the real estate. But this area what is shown in the white color is more promising nowadays. And it is industry projected that at least for the 10 years from now onwards, you will have plenty of jobs in this section. The white area. Have you gone through it? Yes, sir. Shall I change the slide? Yes. Please. So these are the different types of jobs what you will get if you do MBA in marketing. First is entry level job. It is not data entry job, entry level job. Okay. Usually requires no prior experience and involve limited decision making skills. Might be this is suitable for you. Right? Next, career sustaining jobs requires higher level of skills and more decision making. Next, marketing specialist. These are all jobs comes into picture when you are in the same field for a long time. After completing MBA from Osmania University, you cannot go to company and apply for the marketing supervisor job. Can you do so? If you apply for that, they will send you to some doctor, psychiatrist. Next. This next one, managers or owners are competent to run a small business or a significant part of large business. Next. One more slide. Please go on keeping. Like that. Do it 5 times. I have shown you the figures. Because a picture is worth of 1,000 words. Yes or no? Picture does not require any language. It only requires your mentality to understand. I am not selling the child here. Excuse me. I am not trying to sell the child. That means you must have a born appetite to be a marketer. You must have a born appetite to be a marketer. Getting my point? Like that. In the school days, some students used to sell his own pencil for 2 rupees, 3 rupees they will sell in school. And they will tell their mommy, I lost my pencil, mommy will give another. With extra 1 rupee, they will eat something near the school. This is what called as born appetite. And it is shown in many children. I have seen it. Have you seen it? Of course. Because the mummies are very innocent. Whatever the child says, they will accept it. So, this is the presentation. Next. This is most important for you. For the marketing people, those who want to take. Make sure that these are the skills not only for those who are taking marketing as major, as well as for those who are taking marketing as minor. Getting my point? Minor and major usually we say in terms of age, but in Osmania University, minor and major means specializations. Getting my point? Both are majors in reality. So these are the key skills: communication skills, application of number, IT skills, problem solving, improving own learning and performance. The first is most important. Agree with me? Communication skills. How to communicate? How to communicate? Just by talking? No, your body language communicates. Your eyes contact communicates. Your action communicates. Your walking communicates. Yes or no? So all skills comes together. It doesn't mean I'm talking about the mouth part only. I'm talking about complete body from top to bottom. From head to toe I'm talking about. So these are the skills. Specific skills: customer service, selling, negotiating and influencing analysis, decision making and management skills, so on and so forth. So any skills you want me to tell you what does it mean? You understood this? Is it clear to you? Can you move on? Areas of knowledge you require to have a marketing, business environment, product knowledge and financial awareness. See this point. Marketing is interdisciplinary nowadays. If you have a pure knowledge of marketing, you cannot survive. You must have some knowledge of numbers. You must have some knowledge of financial awareness. Because at the end of the day, you have to develop a marketing report. And the report will have numbers. Numbers, you must have background of finance. Next is personal skills: drive and energy, adaptability, resilience and determination, confidence, creativity and an ability to learn and absorb knowledge. See this point? Ability to learn. This ability, according to me, one requires till the death of the person. It is not for you, it is not for me, it is for everyone who is on this planet Earth. The moment you don't have this adaptability, this learning skills, you are nowhere. You have to go to planet Mars for survival. You cannot survive on this planet. So you must have these skills. You must learn something. And learning depends upon your mentality. You will learn good things, you will learn bad things. So it is your choice. Next. One more. Thank you. Oh, I didn't use the mic. I was audible to you? Because now I am realizing I have been